Hey devs, ever felt like your IDE just wasn't smart enough? Meet Cursor, the AI-powered IDE that's changing the game for developers. Cursor is a modern IDE built on top of VS Code, but with one major upgrade: it's powered by AI, specifically ChatGPT under the hood. Think of it as VS Code on steroids, with AI deeply integrated into your coding workflow. Here are some of the key features that make Cursor stand out. AI chat inline, highlight code and ask questions like "What does this function do?" or "Can you optimize this?" Auto-fix errors, explain errors and auto-suggest fixes based on context. Generate code from comments, type natural language, and watch it turn into real code. Code refactoring, select a block and say "Make this more readable." It just works. AI git commits, even your commit messages can be written for you. Chat-powered search, forget Ctrl+F, search your code base semantically. And more. So, where does Cursor really shine? Debugging, skip Stack Overflow. Cursor explains errors right where they happened. Learning new code bases, great for onboarding or reviewing unfamiliar repos. Prototyping, need to quickly scaffold out a component or function. Let AI handle the boilerplate. Solo devs vs indie hackers, Cursor is like having a coding buddy 24/7. Cursor has been gaining serious traction, over 100K plus developers on board in just a few months. Buzzing on X, Reddit, and Hacker News. Why? Because it actually speeds up development by 30% or more in many workflows. Cursor isn't just hype, it's already trusted by thousands of developers, teams, and startups worldwide. Here's a quick look at who's on board. When developers from companies like Stripe, Uber, and OpenAI are using Cursor to write better code, that says a lot. If you write code, you need to try Cursor. It's like going from a regular bike to an e-bike, same ride, but turbocharged. Try it out at cursor.so and let me know in the comments. Would you switch your IDE for one with AI built in? Hit that like button if you love dev tools. Subscribe for more dev tips, tool reviews, and tech breakdowns. See you next time.